Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Mortal Kombat XL game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings for best performance. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mortal Kombat game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and navigate to the options page. Once you are inside the options, go into the PC video settings, and now you can change various different options that are available. You may define your resolution as well as full screen or windowed mode, and you don't really need to make any change for VSync. If you don't see any screen tears within your game, leave anti-aliasing as it is, and now just go into the advanced settings option. Here you can enable or disable bloom, as well as depth of field, motion blur, ambient occlusion, and particles. You may try reducing particle density within the density slider if you're getting lower FPS. Make sure particle engine is set to GPU, and you may also try reducing shadow quality to draw out more performance on your device. After choosing your desired options, you can tap on Apply Settings and confirm your change. Try reducing the texture quality if your game still struggles. Now, within the PC video settings, you may also try reducing the anisotropic filtering level to give you some extra performance boost. There is the option to use auto configuration, which will choose the best settings for your device based on your resources. You can try using this setting first and then reduce the various different other values if you don't get the best performance. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize your graphic performance on the Mortal Kombat XL game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.